Bonjour à tous. How are you all? Today the topic we are going to see is l'article défini. L'article défini. Okay. The meaning is the definite articles. What is an article défini? The article défini is called a definite articles. What are the definite articles in French? What is a definite article in French? L'article défini. What is an article défini in French? So in French, the each and every word has a gender, okay, as a gender separation. Each and every word as a gender, okay. So according to the masculine gender, the word is divided into a masculine gender, feminine, vowel, and plural form, okay. Because each and every word in French has a gender, okay. So all the articles will be divided into four category. The first one is according to the masculine, according to the feminine, according to the vowel, and according to the plural, okay. So each and every article will be split into four category. So I'm going to show the article défini. What is an article défini in French in a neat tabular column, okay. First we will divide it into two columns. One is a singular form and another one is a plural one, okay. What you are going to use in singular and what you are going to use in plural. In singular, it is divided into three. That is, one is a masculine, according to the masculine gender, how we are going to use an article. And second one is according to the feminine gender, how we are going to use an article, and according to the vowel. Okay, the vowel is in English, what are vowels are there? Same in French, but you have to add one more. Okay, that is, the vowel is A, E, I, O, U, and in French we have H, H and Y. Okay, these are vowels in French. Okay, so the singular form, what are there? Masculine gender is there, feminine gender is there, and vowel. Vowel means in English what are vowels we have? Same in French, but extra two more, that is A, E, I, O, U, H and Y. That is A, E, O, U, H, Y. Okay, and plural we have only one plural form. Okay, now we are going to see what we are going to use in masculine article défini for masculine gender, and what are article défini for feminine, and article défini for vowel, and what is article défini for plural. Okay, the first one, article défini masculine is le. What? Le, le. And article défini for feminine is la. La, la. Al, a. For masculine it is al, a. Feminine al, a. For vowel it is L apostrophe, and for plural we have les, L-E-S, L-O-S, les. Okay, these are the four category for article défini. What are they? Le, la, L apostrophe, and les. For which one you are going to use is, for le you are going to use for masculine gender, for la you are going to use for feminine gender, L apostrophe for vowel, and lay is for plural one. Is it clear now? So the article definite is divided into four categories. Now we are going to see where to use article definite. So this is a very basic grammar, the article definite. Okay, I am starting from the very basic grammar. What is an article definite? Now I taught you the four categories. Okay, what are they? La is for masculine, singular, you right? La is for feminine, singular. Okay, L apostrophe is for vowel, singular, and lay is for both masculine and feminine plural. Is clear now? Now we are going to see where to use an article definite in a sentence. Wherever you're using the, wherever you're using the in a sentence, there you have to use a article definite. It's clear? In a sentence, wherever you're using the, in English sentence we use the, no? So for that purpose, so instead of the, or in French, instead of the, you have to use article definite. It's clear? Okay, now we are going to see an example for article definite. If I give example, it will very difficult. It will very easy for you to understand. Okay. So first, I am going to give an example for masculine singular. Okay. For masculine singular, what you will use? Le, right? So, for example, the father. In English, the father. In French, père. Father means pair. Okay, father means pair. So for article definite for masculine singular, what will use? Yes, le. So le père. It's clear? Le père. Le père means the father. Because father is a masculine singular, so you have to use article definite for masculine singular is le. So le père. The brother. In English, the brother. In French, frère. Brother means frère. So brother is a masculine singular. So you have to use an article definite. What? Yes, le. Okay, it's clear how to use an article definite for masculine singular. First, you have to find out the what word, whether the word is belong to what gender. Whether first we have to see whether it's in plural or singular. Okay, after that you have to see what gender it is, whether it's a masculine or feminine or it starts within a vowel. Okay, after that you have to use an article definite. Clear? Next we are going to see an example for feminine singular. For feminine singular, what you have to use? Article definite. Yes, la. Okay, now we will see example for la. So the mother. Mother means mare. You know mother is a feminine singular. So you have to use an article definite liar. So la mère. The mother means la mère. One more example, the sister. The sister. In French, the sister is sœur. Sir. O and A we have to put together. Okay. SOEUR. O and E you have to put together for sir. Okay. This is the format to write. Sir. So, sir is the feminine singular. So, you have to put an article definite la. Okay. La sir. The sister means la sir. So, after along with the class you will get to know the new words in French. Okay, so read that also, what is mean by what we'll use for what's the meaning for father, mother, brother, sister, water, so on we are going to see. Okay, listen to that and also get to learn the new words in French. Next we are going to see an example for a vowel. For vowel, what you have to use for article definite? L apostrophe. Okay. The uncle. The uncle means oncle. Oncle. So you have to, it starts with a vowel O no. So what article you have to use? You have to use an article definite L apostrophe. L'oncle. You have to pronounce along with L and O. Okay, how to pronounce the vowel along with the L, together L and O you have to pronounce l'oncle. So how to pronounce along with L and O? L'oncle. L'oncle. One more example. The clock. The clock means in French horloge. Loge. So it starts with a vowel. So you have to use an article definite L apostrophe. Okay, together you have to pronounce loge. So how to pronounce together you have to use L and ash. L'horloge. L'horloge. Okay. Now we are going to see an example for plural one. Okay. For plural, what will use for article definite? Les. Okay. For example, the same one, the brothers. The brothers in plural form. What I said for brothers? Fair. With an S. Okay, it's a plural fair. For singular it is fair and for plural it is fair with an X. So what's you'll use for article definite plural? Les. Les frères, the brothers. Les frères. The sisters. Sir. For sister what I said? Sir, no. With an S. Without S is a singular form. With an S is a plural form. Sir. So article definite for plural it is les. Les sir. Les sir. Okay friends, it's clear what is an article definite, how it is divided, classified into four forms, where to use the four forms for masculine gender, for masculine singular, for feminine singular, for vowel and for plural. Okay, now after the class I told you, no, I'm going to give you a small task related to the lesson what I taught in the class. So today's class is article definite, so I'm going to give you a small task. Okay, let's do together. Okay, so it will be very easy for you and easily memorize. Okay, you will get to easily memorize it. Okay, for that purpose only I'm giving the task. Okay, just let's do along with me. Okay, I give you the question, just copy it. Okay, dash Grand-père. Grand-père is the grandfather. Okay, in English it is grandfather. Just write me what article you are going to use here. The next one is dash cousin. Dash cousin. Cousin is the cousin. Cousin, the masculine cousin. Okay, the masculine cousin. What will you use for article definite? Okay. The next one is dash parent. Parent is the parents. Okay. So what article definite you are going to use here? Just write it down. The next one is dash tante. Tante is the aunt in English. Auntie, aunt, no, auntie, aunt, that aunt. So what article definite you are going to use here? Just write it down. And the last one is dash école. École means school. The meaning is school. Okay, dears, it's clear. I have given you the task related to article definite. I have given you the French word along with the English meaning. Okay, so okay, try to answer for the words for the exercise. Okay. Okay, dears, have you all answered for the exercise article definite? Now we can discuss the answer for that. Okay. Grand-père. Grand-père means grandfather. So it's absolutely a masculine singular. So you have to use an article definite le. It's clear? The next one, cousin. Cousin is the, I told you, the cousin, but the masculine cousin also I told you. So what you have to use? Yes. Here also le cousin, the cousin. The next one, dash parent. Parent means parents. So the last letter with an S. So absolutely it's in a plural form. So I have to use an article definite les. Les parents. Okay, the next one is dash tante. So tante is the aunt. I said aunt. So aunt is absolutely a feminine gender. So I have to use an article definite la. Okay, the last one dash école. École is the school, but see it starts with a vowel, so you have to use an article definite L apostrophe. Okay, dear, it's clear. It's very easy for you to learn the article definite in French. So I have taught you in this video. I have taught you what is an article definite, how it is classified, and where to use an article definite in a sentence. I have given you the example, and at last I have given you some small exercise also. So my motive is you have to read properly, and the main thing is you have to understand the grammar point, where to use, what to use. Okay, for that purpose only I'm teaching very slowly, and from the very basic only I'm teaching you all, so in order to understand for you all, it should not be a confusing for you, for the especially for the beginners. So I hope this video is very helpful for you, and very helpful for you to understand what is an article definite and where to use an article definite in French. Okay, dears, if you like my video, please comment me, and if you have any doubt also, please comment me. I'll definitely share your doubts. I'll clear your doubts. I'll definitely clear your doubts. Okay, dears. Okay, dears. I will meet you in the next class. Until then, merci. Au revoir. Bye.